Imagine you're standing right where you are, and suddenly, without warning, the Earth stops spinning completely. Not slowing down, but stopping dead in a single instant. Your first thought might be a small jolt, then everything back to normal. The real answer is far stranger and far more violent than that. To understand why, you need one basic fact. Earth isn't just spinning, it's spinning at a terrifying speed. At the equator, that speed is about 1,070 miles per hour. You feel nothing right now because you, the air, and everything around you moves at exactly that same speed. No friction, no sensation of motion. Here's the first principle you need: inertia, discovered by Isaac Newton centuries ago. A moving object keeps moving at the same speed and direction until an outside force stops it. Your body is moving at Earth's speed right now, even though you don't feel it. If Earth stopped suddenly, your body wouldn't stop with it. It would keep moving at that same terrifying speed, and that means immediate disaster. Picture standing on something moving at 1,070 miles per hour, and it stops instantly. Your body gets hurled forward at that same speed, faster than the fastest bullet ever fired. And this wouldn't just happen to you, it happens to everything on Earth at once. Every human, every car, every building, every tree not anchored deep into the ground, flung at that same speed. The oceans follow the same logic. Water keeps moving, forming waves hundreds of meters high, drowning entire continents within minutes. The atmosphere does the same, generating winds faster than any hurricane humanity has ever known, capable of wiping cities off the map. So in the very first minute, nothing remains standing on Earth's surface. This isn't science fiction, it's a direct result of a simple physical law with terrifying consequences. Could this actually happen? Scientifically, no, not this suddenly. Earth carries enormous kinetic energy, and stopping it instantly would need a force more destructive than any asteroid imaginable. But Earth actually is slowing down, just extremely slowly, over millions of years. Scientists studying Earth's rotation with atomic clocks have found that the length of a day is slowly increasing. The main cause is the moon. It pulls ocean water toward itself, causing tides, and the friction from that movement quietly drains energy from Earth's rotation, adding less than a millisecond to each day every century. That sounds trivial, but over hundreds of millions of years it adds up. Scientists studying ancient coral fossils found that a day on Earth 400 million years ago lasted only about 22 hours, not 24. Earth used to spin much faster. So what happens if this slowdown continues for billions more years? Scientists predict Earth's rotation could eventually slow until a day equals a month, with the same face of Earth always facing the moon, exactly like the moon shows us only one face today. This is called tidal locking, already true from the moon's side, but it would need far more time than the sun's own lifespan to happen the other way around. That means Earth won't ever fully stop before the sun runs out of fuel and swells into a red giant, according to scientists who study stellar evolution. Sudden stopping is pure fiction. Gradual slowing is a confirmed fact measured with precise numbers. This speed also shapes your daily life unnoticed. It drives the Coriolis effect, which bends winds and ocean currents. That's why hurricanes rotate counterclockwise north of the equator and clockwise south of it. A different rotation speed would mean completely different weather everywhere. Even GPS satellites need Earth's rotational speed calculated with extreme precision to give you accurate coordinates. When tiny shifts happen, scientists add a leap second to our calendars to correct for it. So we're living on a planet that's constantly changing, just so slowly that an entire human lifetime never notices. The Earth under your feet right now isn't quite the same Earth that existed hundreds of millions of years ago, and it won't be quite the same hundreds of millions of years from now. And here's the mirror to your own life. You exist inside an extraordinarily precise system of balances, a specific rotation speed, a specific gravity, a specific distance from the sun, all working together with terrifying precision to make stable life possible. That stability isn't automatic or guaranteed. It's the outcome of massive physical forces balancing quietly without you ever noticing. So next time your day feels ordinary and calm, remember you're actually standing on a planet moving at a terrifying speed, in a precise balance. And that calm isn't the absence of motion. It's the direct result of motion so steady it has lasted for millions of years and will keep going for millions more.